Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your FreshBooks fiscal year-end date. So reasons why you want to do this, I just had ChatGPT actually summarize these answers as far as changing your fiscal year-end date can help a business in a few ways. I'm not going to go through each and every one of these ways, but for whatever reason you want to change your fiscal year-end date, go ahead and follow the step-by-step tutorial just because you'll learn how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started by first going on to our FreshBooks account. Next, you're going to scroll down to where it says settings on this bottom left-hand corner. So go ahead and click on settings. Next, click on tax and financial information. And then here under tax and financial information, you're going to be able to change your fiscal year end month and your fiscal year end day. So for whatever reason, let's say that you want your fiscal year to end in September 30th. For whatever reason, that is actually how you change your fiscal year end day and month. So if you know of a better way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.